Hello, today I am going to show you how to insert row and column using mouse click and keyboard shortcut. Let's start. So this is my working sheet. So in this file I have a employee name and their month on month sales target. Now if in this screen if you see I have a July, October and November. Now I want to insert for the month of August and September. So how will I do? So I have to select the column C, right click and choose insert. When I click insert, a blank column will come the left side of my selection column, selected column. So here I will write August. Now I want to insert one more column. Say again I just right click on column D and choose insert. See, here I will write September. Now so using this mouse click we can insert the column. Now how to delete a column? So for that you have to select the column, right click on the column you want to delete and choose the delete option. See, delete. So selected column will get delete. I want to delete the for column August. Just right click on the column and choose delete. So using this option you can delete and insert column. So this you have done using the mouse click. How you will do using keyboard shortcut? So for that first you have to do a selection. So for column selection, if you want to select the column using the keyboard shortcut you have to press Ctrl plus space bar. Using Ctrl and space bar you can select a column. Like see, if I come to this sheet, if I press Ctrl space bar, see my column is get selected. See, I am pressing Ctrl space bar. Correct, my column is selected. Now using this keyboard shortcut we can select the column, and using this keyboard shortcut we can insert the column or row whichever I want, but this shortcut will use only in laptop. If you are using desktop you have to use Control and plus sign. Using this keyboard you can insert row and column. Correct. So how will you do? So let's go to this sheet. Now here I want to bring a column, so I will select Control space bar, then I will use Control plus. See, it's done. Now I can Control plus. See, it's showing August, September. Now I want to delete these two columns, so I will simple press Control space bar and press Control minus for delete, Control minus to delete. So this is the keyboard shortcut for to delete a column or row. Control minus will use. Correct. So this I have shown you how to insert a column. Now I will show you how to insert a row. So in the same situation this file is made for, there is a employee name and the month on month target. Now I want to insert for the months August and September in row. So what I have to do, I have to right click on the row and choose insert. See, if I want to add more row, just right click and choose insert. So here, like this way, you can insert rows. If you want to delete, just right click on the row and select delete. Right click and delete. So this is you have done using the mouse click. Now how you can insert row using keyboard shortcut. So for that you have to select the row, and to select the row you have to use shift space bar. Using shift space bar you can select the row. Let's see, I'm just clicking here and pressing shift space bar. See, my row is get selected. Now I am using control plus sign. So control plus sign used to add new row and column as per your selection. If you select column, it will add insert a column. If you select row, this shortcut will insert row. So as I am selected row, I'm just pressing control plus. See, this is for August. Now again I'm pressing control shift space bar, control plus, September. Now I want to delete this row. Correct. So I will press control shift space bar and control minus to delete. So if you see, I have shown you control minus. You can use this keyboard shortcut to delete selected row and or column. So see, I've selected control minus. So using this keyboard shortcut or the mouse click, you can insert row and column in your working file. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.